Hi guys, so we're gonna go see, because it's my first time doing doing the videos. So we're gonna go see. I'm gonna do a quick tour on the birds, just introducing them, like what breeds and all. Right, so there's the chickens. So the big bird there in front of me is a Sussex hen. The one next to it is a silkie. That one under the slide there is a Peking Royal. That one over there is a Millefleur, the speckled one. That black one over there is the same as that, a Wyandotte. That one over there is a Millefleur. And that one there's a Millefleur. So, I'll just come down and show you some of the other birds. So, got two silkies. They're the two cockles. That cockle there is a lemon Millefleur, the same as the hens. That cockle there is a silky cross cockle. Oh, and I don't know how that one's got itself stuck in there. That's a silky cross hen. I'll let that out there. That's a silky cross hen. These are the ducks. The tall one's an Indian run duck. The small one is a coal duck drake. There's the two rabbits there. I don't know what breed they are. So, there we go. Right, I'll go show you guys the quails. This here is just a duck pen. So these guys here are the quails. This one. That one's one of the skitty ones. Come on. So this is one of the quails here. These are Japanese quails. We're gonna be expanding the pen soon. A bit bigger. 'Cause it's a bit small. So, yeah, there's the rabbits. Yeah. That's just a spare pen for anything we need up there. There's the rabbit house. This there is, so when our chicks hatch in the summer, there's no chicks at the moment, this is where we usually put the mum and the chicks in these pens here. So, So this is Thor, the silky cross cockerel. He is very nice. That's Thor. And yeah, it was only a short video, but there you go. And I'll just show you the ducks. So Daisy, the Indian runner duck, Donald, the small one. Yeah, so that's the little setup. See you guys.